everybody. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. This is Gen 2 glasses, which can be integrated with your phone, and we can use it as a sunglass, as well as it's a transition glass, so it can be worn both outdoor and indoor. It's a Gen 2 glass. Now the latest one is the Ray-Ban Meta AI display glasses. So which is much more, a little more advanced, wherein you can, like in Avatar movie, you can see that text scrolling in front of you like that. The text will scroll inside the glass, which only you can see. But from outside, when it will look as a normal glass. So this has got the facility of basically recording videos, which can be uploaded on Facebook, Instagram, and all. And it is almost, I think. Very good clarity is there. I don't know how much is it? Is it 4K?
No, 1000.
1080p, I
yeah.
think it is now. But they will soon, I think, in the app, software update, they might increase it to 4K later on. So as of now, I think it is 108. Pretty decent, and clear video you can watch. So this is the box how it is. Like packaging is like this. Ray-Ban Meta AI, Meta glasses, the logo on in front. Then Wayfarer. Wayfarer is a very popular model which was used in old movies and all that. So this is the same thing, Wayfarer model of Ray-Ban, which they have integrated Meta AI features into it. So this is the box, light grey color box it is. So you just need to, I have already removed the strip. Now just for unboxing, I just put it back inside. So you remove the strip like how you take out the iPhone tag and all like that, same thing. And then open it like this from four sides. So this is basically the case. Again the branding logo and all is there. And this has got a USB charging port here. So where you will be able to charge the glasses. Glasses are kept inside. And here there is an indication light of green. Now this is 100% charged, so it's showing green. If it needs charging, then it will be showing orange color. So it is connected through this nose pin here on the glass, and there's a nose pin on this case also, which connects, and then you will be able to charge it. So when you take the glass out like this, this is kind of a navy blue color. I have not taken the standard black glasses because I wanted a different feel and all that. So I got a navy blue. This looks pretty cool with all, it goes with all the colors, whatever you are wearing. Now there is a branding of Ray-Ban here. So here there is a camera which will record, and there is a indication light also. It will keep blinking actually when you are taking the, so that the other person knows. For actually it's for basically safety purpose. Basically they keep that we don't film anybody without their notice, so they have that. But there is a way through that also. If you want, you have to buy an accessory and cover this lens, so wherein little light is passed, and then the opposite person will not know whether you are recording also. It will look like a normal glass, but it can be commanded through voice also, as well as you can tap features also it's got. Then it's got speakers on the stems here. Very good clarity, music, not very loud, but then good enough for you to hear, and clear music you have. You can hear, you can take phone calls, you can call people, you can ask the Meta AI glass to read out the text in your messages, and all that feature is there. So practically you need not have an AirPod or whatever you use it for calling and all that. And after a certain point of time, I think after you wear AirPods or earpods and all, you will have kind of a small light pain in your ears. But now this is like wearing your normal glasses, so this way you wear it. So there is a small button here which you can just slide and on it. So this is on and off here, and you can see lights here. So the red and white, it will toggle, and it will connect to your app in the phone, and basically you can control the sunglasses through voice command as well as through your phone. So the purpose is basically, see the point of view when you are recording. You will have to hold your camera and then do it, whether it is your phone or your GoPro and all that. In this basically you just need to just give command, and your point of view, wherever you are looking, that kind of thing, that kind of POV will be recorded, very good 1080p. I think they have upgraded now. Later on, maybe 4K will be available. So that will happen through software upgrades. That's what I feel. And clear voice recording also would be very clear, and this can be uploaded for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever you can use it. So it's a convenience for the content creators basically to record your point of view, whatever you want to record, you can do that. So effortlessly basically. So it's more convenience. So this I got it from US. My cousin had come from US, so I told them to. I ordered basically on online itself on their website, and was delivered to their residence. And then when they came back to Bangalore last November, I picked it up. So, so basically, I could save some around 10,000-15,000 rupees. I could save. Otherwise, it is now available in India and Bangalore also, but this 15,000 is more costlier than US when you buy. So basically, it is this is what I wanted to tell you. Very convenient. You can listen to music with good clarity and record, upload. All that is possible. So it's the next thing. Now the latest one is the display, Ray-Ban display glasses. This Gen 1 is over, then Gen 2 is this one. Next is the Ray-Ban Meta AI display glasses, wherein you can see the text like how you see in Avatar movie, the text, coming printed on in front of you. So that can be seen inside the glass. You will not be able, the other person who's outside, the other person will not be able to see. Only the person wearing it can see from inside. The text would appear, like your messages and all would be appearing. You can read it. In this, basically, there's a voice command is there. The setting is that any messages you get, it will read out, and through the speakers you can hear it. You can enable and disable that according to your liking. But basically, it is doing everything. How you can answer calls, you can call people, everything through a voice command, or with your fingers, just one touch. There are different options for you to do all the functions what you do with your phone. Listen to music, and the advantage is nobody will know that you are connected. So you can just talk and all that. So that's a convenience basically. So that's it. So this is what I wanted to tell you guys. If you like the video of this Ray-Ban Meta AI Gen 2 glasses, do like, share, subscribe, which will help me to make more such videos, informative videos. That's it. It's not a very technical detail. I am not an expert on all this, but I just purchased it, so I just wanted to share this with you. Right? If you are all interested, maybe you can go into sort of better videos than what I have made on technical aspects are there. You can watch and then buy it, whether either from India or abroad, depending on your how you would be able to connect and purchase. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed.